Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to our 2023 Project Pan intro. I can't believe we're at another year, we're at another pan. I'm looking forward to the progress that's ahead. I'm going to be structuring this very similar to the way I structured it last year and just doing a couple of items I'll be doing usage goals on, a couple of items I want to finish off. And again, this doesn't supersede what I have going into my rotation. I use this in conjunction with my rotation, but not ahead of it. I want to give myself permission to just kind of use what I want to use, and these are just kind of my default products. But let's start in with this Molly eyeshadow stick. This is in the shade Shimmering. This has been on my radar for a while to pan now. I think it would be great as like a inner corner highlight and all over the lid shade and get out the door shade, something to line my under eyes with. And my goal is to actually finish this. It is getting older in my collection, so I would like to finish this up this year. I predict that it'll probably take about the first 6 months of the year. I do have quite a bit left. I'm going to count uses as inner corner highlights, all over the lid, and underneath that lower lash line. Any kind of way I'd use it separately, I will count that as a use, but my goal is to finish this. And then the next item we have is my CoverGirl Skin Milk. I've heard that this does go bad quickly. I have had it in my collection for quite some time now. I haven't had any issues with it. This has been an item that I do love and I enjoy using, and I figured it'd be a great everyday kind of foundation to use. My goal on this would be to either use it 50 uses or finish it off completely. After I get to that 50 uses mark, I am then going to decide whether I want to continue going or not, and if I happen to finish it off before 50 uses, then that's awesome, but that's my goal for this one. Then we've got the Benefit Concealer. This is a rollover from last year. I only have a little bit left, so I imagine this will only take me realistically 2 or 3 more months to finish off, but if you kept up with my Project Pan series last year, then you'll know that I've been saying that for about 4 or 5 months now. But now it's depotted, I have got a more realistic vision of what's in here, so I'm going to say 2 to 3 months realistically. Up to this point, I have used it a total of 87 times, so I think I can finish this relatively soon. And then the next item is also a rollover from last year. This is my ColourPop Super Shock Blush in the shade Too Cool for School. My goal is to finish this off. I imagine this will probably take most of the year, but I've got pretty decent sized pan, so I feel like I can use it up this year, hopefully. As of this point, I have used it a total of 84 times throughout the year of 2022. This was in all 12 months last year, and I'm really determined to finish this off. If I didn't like this, it would be another story. I would probably either declutter it or just put it back into my stash and use it in my rotations. But because I actually really do like this formula and I am having a good time panning this, I do want to keep it in. Next we have my Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow. I want to pan the glow side. This has been broken for a while now. I repressed it. Kind of looks ugly, but it is pretty to use, and I thought it would be a fun one to incorporate into my Project Pan. I feel like I can use it as a highlighter in conjunction with highlighter. I can also use it as a sparkly eyeshadow, especially on quick days out. I'm not going to pan the blush, but because the blush is going to be with it, I'll probably naturally just reach for it throughout the year. I imagine this will take me about 6 months. There is already pan there, so I don't have a lot left. So I can probably get this done in the first half of the year. And then the last 2 items is actually a lip combo that I had tried earlier this year and I absolutely loved it. And it is this Becca Ultimate Lip Definer in the shade Blissful. Becca is no longer a brand, but I did have this and I do want to use it up before it goes bad. I have quite a bit left, so again, it'll probably take me, well, I could probably finish it in the first half of the year, but everything always takes longer than anticipated. And then the gloss that I have, I used a lot with it, and I really did like the combo. Again, I'm about halfway done with it, so I feel like I can finish this. It'll probably take me the majority of the year, but if I use this combo consistently, I feel like I can get it done in a timely manner. And that's everything I have for this year's Project Pan. I did put in some stuff that would take a little bit longer. I don't think I have anything in my project at least to start, that's going to be an easy use. I feel like I can get a lot of these done probably by summertime, but we're just going to see, with the exception of the concealer. I feel like this will probably only take me about 2 to 3 months to finish off, but I'm looking forward to a new project pan this year. Looking forward to a product refresh, and I'm so excited. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, my name is Machaela, and I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. And my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty, as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if that's not what you're into, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you, so hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.